we're going to determine the complement of a set using Venn diagrams and proper set notation. So what I want to just do first real quick is remember a Venn diagram with two sets, because we are going to play, with two sets, generally is an overpiece. Now, if we talk about outside here, this is the universal set, right? So everything goes in, and then anything inside is a subset of the universal set. And we can depict all kinds of things with Venn diagrams. We can also have a Venn diagram that looks, right, if we have the universal set and then we just have maybe a subset B inside of that universal set. That is also a Venn diagram. So anything that kind of is a visual depiction of sets, right? We can do that with types of Venn diagrams. So let's go ahead and look at the first one. Let's consider the two sets. We have the universal set, red, blue, orange, green, and yellow. And then we have the subset N, which is just red, blue, and green. Our goal is to use a Venn diagram to find the complement of N, noted as N prime, if U is the universal set. So if this here is my universal set U, okay, now we should notice red, blue, green is a subset. So N is a subset of the universal set U, and inside we have red, blue, and green. Now, because red, blue, and green are inside of set N, they also exist inside the universal set. So now, thinking about what is in U that is not in the subset N. So we've already got red, we've already got blue, we've already got green. That means orange and yellow are out here in just the universal set. So now when I go to find N prime is everything not in N that exists in the universal set. So in this pictorial, like this Venn diagram, we're looking at those colors that do not exist in my subset of N. So we would be able to say that N prime is the set orange and yellow. And that would be N prime. All right, let's do another one. Suppose the universal set is all multiples of 3 less than 31, and N is 6, 12, 18, and 24. Find N prime. So once again, we have our universal set U, which is all multiples of 3 less than 31. And then we have our subset N, which is 6, 12, 18, and 24. So those are all multiples of 3, less than 31. They are a subset of the universal set. So now let's think through. What are my multiples of 3 that are less than 31 that do not exist inside of N? So my first multiple of 3 is 3. 3, then 6, already in. 9, ooh, I don't need a comma. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. So notice how I kind of just went through my multiples of 3, counted by 3, and if they existed in set N, I ignored them. If they didn't exist in N, I put them into my universal set U. So now when I'm finding N prime, again, I'm looking for all pieces that do not exist in the subset N. So that would be 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, and 30. They are the the multiples of 3 less than 31 that do not exist in the subset N. Thanks all.